Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little bit of a different tutorial, obviously. It's just kind of like a get ready with me for Halloween. This is just kind of like my trial run. I wanted to practice it before I actually did it for real. I'm going to a Halloween party tomorrow and it should be pretty fun. So anyways, this is what I'm planning on looking like for that. So if you guys want to see how I got this look as Beatrix from Kill Bill, then just keep watching. Basically, I've got a few reference pictures and I just watched the movie to be more accurate with the makeup here. But yeah, she's basically, I'm going to do my hair and my makeup. Her hair is just like, it looks kind of sweaty and kind of tousled and messy. So I'm just going to go in and put some mousse and like kind of crunch it a little bit and then like just make it look dirty and like I've been fighting. And then she's got, I'll insert like the pictures I'm going off here, but she's definitely got blood all over her chest, but I don't think I can do that because my costume, which is right behind me, is made out of leather, so I'd have to paint on it because it's not like it would soak in. Like hers in the movie is made out of cloth. So I'm probably just gonna like spray some blood and then I'll put a few blood splatters on my face and I might make it look like my lip is cut open. So I'm just going in with some primer because I'm gonna be getting sweaty too probably. It's Halloween, yet it is still like very hot outside. So anyways, yeah. Okay, so now that I have primer on, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of concealer just to like get rid of any redness I have. I'm gonna go in this one from Maybelline. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just gonna go in with a cream blush and a stippling brush. This one's from Revlon and it's in the shade Charmed Enchantment. And I'm just gonna pop that on my cheeks, kind of bring it down a little bit to make me look like in a V, to make it look like my cheeks are flushed. So then I'm gonna take some cream bronzer from my Anastasia palette and just put that on my forehead. Then I'm gonna go in and add a few fake freckles just cause like I always do, no matter what. I know that's not accurate to the movie, but I'm gonna do it anyways because it's what makes me feel cute. If you guys want a tutorial on this, then I'll have it linked down below. Alrighty, so I hardly did any. I just wanted to keep it still natural looking, but you know what I mean. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm just gonna go in and put some eyeshadow on. So now I'm just gonna go in with these three shades from my Gwen Stefani palette. They're really natural. I'm just gonna do it to get like a little bit of natural definition. Okay, and then to lighten up my eyebrows because they're too dark for me, right? I guess they look pretty okay, but I want to lighten them up a little bit. So I'm just going in with my Anastasia brow gel. I haven't been filling in my brows as of lately. I don't know why that is. I think it's just because I think personally it looks weird, at least on me, when I have my eyebrows done, but I'm doing a natural makeup look. It just looks like everything else looks really natural and then it looks very obvious that I have makeup on my eyebrows. So I've just been doing this lately and I've been liking it. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of brown eyeliner on my top lash line. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. So I'm gonna go in with a really natural lip, surprise, surprise. I'm just gonna use this thing from Revlon. It's a cushion lip tint in the shade 200. And I've been loving this thing lately because when you first put it on, it's like nice and glossy, but then it leaves a really good stain behind. So that's good for Halloween. And it just looks really natural and I really like it. So super easy, but that's the makeup look done, at least the actual makeup part. Now I'm gonna go in and start making myself look all dirty and like, you know what I mean. Okay, so now we're moving into like the actual bloody stuff. So I'm gonna make it look like my lip is kind of just got punched in the lip or something. So I'm gonna spread it out and then I'm gonna make a little slit. This is a lip stain, by the way, from e.l.f. and it's just a dark red. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker lipstick shade and a small brush. This one is from Milani. Yeah, and I'm gonna define that more. Looking great so far, guys. And then I'm gonna set that with some powder. If I can find a brush. Just gonna use like a maroon shade. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more lines like around it, just to make it look like it's not so random. And just to add some like kind of bruising effect around it. And then I have this fake blood that I'm gonna use. Now it looks like I got punched in the lip. Cute. So, oh my gosh, this is dripping. So now I'm gonna go in and kind of add like some dirt. So I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and some of like a dark, actually I'll use this, that'll work. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. palette, and the reason I'm using this is because I actually didn't like how chalky this was and it just made my face look dirty. But now look at that, I can reuse it today. So I'm gonna take the dark shade and I'm just gonna like and I'm gonna go in and do my chesticle. Okay, so now I've got like 3 spots on my chest that look semi-dirty. And that's that. Now I'm gonna kind of blend it out with that stippling brush, just so it doesn't look so harsh. Okay. So before I go in and make my knuckles all bloody, I wanted to do my hair because I don't want red stuff getting all up in my hair. So I'm gonna do that. Sorry, I'm being so loud. In the movie, obviously, like, it's very carefree, and her hair is obviously longer than mine, but you know what, we're just gonna ignore that little fact for now. And I'm going to just put like a bunch of mousse and gel in my hair and make it look like it's sweaty when it's actually in fact not. And then I might bring these little pieces forward because she does have like somewhat bangs in the movie, but we'll just kind of see what happens. So I'm gonna go get that stuff and be back. And we're just gonna shake this up. I might have to get my hair wet, we'll see. I'm gonna take a lot of mousse. And I'll just start with one side. And I'm gonna start just like putting it in my hair and making my hair look really crazy. So now I'm gonna put the rest of my costume on because it's gonna be hard to put it on once I have bloody hands. So one moment. Okay guys, so here's my costume. Super fun, super cute. Okay, so now it's knuckle time. So I can't believe I just said that. Please kill me now. Anywho, I'm just gonna go in with this lipstick. That's actually, no. First I'm gonna go in with the stain because we love a good stain. And I'm gonna paint over my knuckles, but I'm gonna try to wrinkle them as much as I can just to like get that effect. I just smeared a bunch of red stuff and it looks bad, but at least it'll be a base for the night. Like I said, same thing as my lips. So now I'm gonna go in with this dark lipstick shade and I'm just gonna focus that more on the actual, let me zoom you in, on the actual knuckles. Oh my gosh, I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. Rough times. Cool. Now, I'm going to take a blending brush, or like just any brush really, and take that same maroon color that I used for my lips, which is from my Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm gonna set that. And I'm just gonna like go back in with that bronzer too and make my hands look dirty. Okay, so there's all like the powder stuff done for the hands. I'm just gonna go in and add fake blood now. Okay, so now I'm just gonna like put some bloody stuff. Maybe one more drip. Okay, so I decided I needed more blood on my face, so I'm just gonna do a drip going down my forehead. I'm gonna do 2 drips because, I don't know, maybe it'll make it look better. Alrighty, you guys, here's my finished look. It kind of looks like I got shot in the forehead. That wasn't anticipated, but you know what? Now I know for tomorrow when I'm doing it for real not to do that. But I think it looks pretty decent considering my very, very low skill in FX makeup. So yeah. Anyways, I'll show you one more thing. I want to show you my shoes that I'm wearing, because I really went all out with this costume, guys. These used to just be plain white, like Adidas, that I thrifted from the store, and they were like $2. So I painted them and made them into the shoes for the movie. And so I'm gonna wear those shoes with this costume. And I think it looks pretty good. I don't know, that's just me. But anyways, okay. Oh! Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and hit that little bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I just smeared the blood all over myself, but that's okay. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.